PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Come back. This is because your legs didn't support. That's why I said you didn't have enough leg support on that last ball. Every time you loop, it's like this. Why did your left leg wobble like a puppy peeing? Why is that? It's not about being out of position. Why did you block the ball when it came over? He only blocks if the ball has weight. He only blocks if the ball is fast and heavy. The ball is pressuring you. In the process of your confrontation, you didn't support your body well. Of course you lifted your left foot. Did you notice how much effort that last ball took? In the second shot, I gave you another one. You started to crouch a bit, but you brought it back. The first ball I looped was flipped by me. Isn't it obvious? Fast and heavy like this. If you can return it instead of lifting, it won't flip. It's very important. Center of gravity control. They pressure you with their shots, but you can still return them. Push and turn, right? If you wobble like a puppy peeing. Good, you returned it. Do I have to remind you to keep your forearm up every time it goes out? Keeping your forearm up, that's the key. Ah. Exactly. Always keep your forearm up when there's trouble. Hey, close the forearm. Oh, is it a problem with closing the forearm? No, it's something else. I think the issue is that you didn't maintain the spin curvature on this stroke, right? You just pushed it out without a little something. Yes, once you get that feeling, you don't need to close the forearm. Right. Did you close the forearm? Why didn't it close? It closed. Yes. You're a bit stiff. First of all, don't make me think that your whole movement is just about closing the forearm. Stiff. You should have that curvature. In the process of transitioning from outside to inside, the movement should have a curvature, right? If you hit it out, I'll keep reminding you. I said Pan Yue, close the forearm. The more you practice, the more stiff you become. Right, so have you solved the problem? Still not solved. As a coach, I think two things are important. One is being able to identify the problem. But more importantly, it's about how you solve the problem. The solution is not just about telling you what not to do. Hey, pay attention. Attention, don't raise your elbow. Attention, don't stand like that. Attention, don't lean back. Attention, close the forearm. Why so much attention? Or pay attention to not do what? Would you be able to do what I ask? Or not do what I ask? Do you know what to do? You know what not to do. You just don't know how to solve the problem. So as a coach, it's more important not only to identify the problem, but more importantly, it's about how you can help the player solve the problem. Just like what you said about closing the forearm. Two words matching. Perfect match. It's all about proportion in this case. Seems like you're rushing the rhythm with your hand. Clearly rushing with your hand. Rush it out, see, not matching the rhythm. By the time you touch the ball, perfect timing to exert force. Yes, closed off. It's controlled well. Adjusting is key. Beautiful. Good job. Why are these few handled so well? Two words matching. Perfect match. Haha. Is it a perfect match? Matching rhythm. Matching way of exerting force. As for your movement range, you're definitely following your way of exerting force. If it should be large, you will naturally enlarge it proportionally. As long as you feel it's good, you can definitely handle it well. Alright. Controlled well. Beautifully done. This step is excellent. Good. Yes, yes, yes. Slightly late. Missed the timing a bit. Okay. You can pick up a bit. Look back. Yes, what should you do with this ball? Step forward diagonally with your front foot. Then, use the ball's momentum to your advantage. That's right, I hit it hard. That was sudden, still turning back. This is a typical mismatch. I won't talk to you about these things. I'm talking about Pen Yue. Is speed alone useful? It's a matter of technique. You're stepping back. What do I need you to do now? Step diagonally forward with your right foot. Right now, you're stepping back and retreating. Then, counteract. Of course, you can't find the ball anymore. And when I saw that you missed it, I scolded you, Pen Yue, quicken your step. What's the use? Right, this has nothing to do with speed. It's a matter of technique. Yes, you have to use this kind of technique. Good, it matches now. That's right, you've got it. No matter how fast you run, it's no use if it's not matched. Like that last shot. I changed your rhythm with a fake push. I fooled you and changed it half a beat. Slow down the rhythm. Then, when you pull your shot, if you rush it, it suddenly softens. Your shots were all fast, all top spin. Then suddenly, I fake push a soft one. If you rush your rhythm, by using steps, aren't you just messing up? But why did you handle it well just now? Adjust your rhythm, and then exert your own strength. Right, isn't it? Oh, see that? That's called being matched. Can you still adjust and exert your own strength like this? What should you do in this situation? Is it similar to the feeling of adjusting the forehand like that just now? Small step and then bang. Using the momentum and strength, right? Excellent, that's matching. Well done. According to the ball. The ball isn't that long. Step forward diagonally. If the ball is very long and choppy, move to the side. In the match, I think this reverse spin serve, including the hook serve for girls. One is a forehand short, one is a backhand long. Right, these 2 points. First, you should serve the forehand short well. I think the first element is, you need to be tight, don't reveal your intention right away. Why at this moment you finish serving? You want to initiate an attack, you serve to their forehand short. Are you trying to set up an attack, even if they come to push you? With intent you serve to the side. I'm ready for them to push me, or come to flick me. I will counter with top spin. Right, at least you are prepared, right? But if your serve is not tight. Oh, it needs to be tight. If this person is watching half closely enough, they lift the ball and push you. Even with average strength, they can spin the ball. You will be passive. Why passive? Because they are beyond your readiness. I don't know if you can understand. So serve their forehand short. You need to learn what? Guess the opponent's psychology. There are 2 situations. I think you can play long shots. What is the first kind? When you serve short balls, it's frustrating when your opponent keeps returning them. That's when you should consider playing long shots. But this is actually a compromise. What is the best option? When you serve short balls, and he can't handle it well, his attention is more focused on the short balls at this moment. Do you think this makes sense? If he returns well, restricting you? At this point, he might also calculate your moves. Hey, do those receiving serves also calculate your moves? He doesn't have many opportunities against my returns. He might start launching surprise long shots at me. Why can't he get through my short balls to restrain me? Right? Well, maybe the opponent has already calculated your moves. When others struggle to return short balls well. Do you think this makes sense? When he can't handle the return well, find a way to return well. And his focus is entirely on the short balls. Because he hasn't sorted things out yet. So playing long shots catches him off guard. When he's caught off guard, then when you switch back to playing short balls, he will struggle to return them well, giving you more opportunities. giving you more chances to take control.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.